Hi guys, I'm Dennis and today I will show you our SOLIDClick centering vices. As the name suggests, this is a quick change system with a click mechanism that allows the soft jaws to be changed over in seconds. With a little milling work, any contours can be produced in the soft jaws to clamp a complex geometry or simply to clamp finished surfaces, securely without marks. The SOLIDClick vise can be purchased as it is here, or you can retrofit an existing solid grip vise with the SOLIDClick base jaws. The base jaws do not differ, so that conversion can take place in both directions at any time. In addition to the click mechanism from the size 77 upwards, there is also the option of fastening the soft jaws with screws, which we call solid lock. This variant is particularly suitable for making your own jaws on the spur of the moment. For the soft jaws, we provide you with the production drawings on our website. If you liked our video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Until next time, your Dennis.